Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta with pesto sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a delicious meal. You'll need fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil for the pesto. For the pasta, choose a shape like fusilli or pen that will really capture that wonderful sauce. Having a food processor or a mortar and pestle will make preparing the pesto much easier, and a large pot is essential for cooking your pasta perfectly. Now let's craft that vibrant pesto. Start by combining about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/4 cup of pine nuts in your food processor. Pulse these ingredients until they are finely chopped. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil until the mixture becomes smooth and emulsified. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Next, we'll cook the pasta to perfection. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil, adding a generous pinch of salt. Once boiling, add your pasta and cook it according to the package directions, usually for 8 to 12 minutes until it's al dente, meaning tender but still firm to the bite. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for a silky sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together for a delicious meal. Drain your cooked pasta thoroughly but resist the urge to rinse it, as the starch helps the sauce adhere. Immediately transfer the warm pasta to a large bowl and toss it with your vibrant pesto sauce. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Garnish with extra Parmesan and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.